Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a trans pride inspired look. So let's get started. I'm putting my hair clips in my hair and zooming in. This is going to be an eye tutorial, so I have my base done already. So in honor of the first transgender suicide hotline that was announced the other day, I decided to do this look, and all resources will be down below. I'm taking my Milani bronzer in Dolce, and I'm using this as a transition shade. You guys know I always use this as a transition shade in my videos. I really like the way this color looks on me. So I am applying this with a nice little Morphe fluffy brush. Then taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm using a flat concealer brush to apply this on my eye. And I'm going to be doing like a cat eye eyeliner shape with this. So I'm just doing that now. Next, I'm taking the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be mixing this white and blue to make a little sky blue color. So I mixed the two colors in the pans, and then I'm just applying it straight on that eye primer. I didn't set it because you're not supposed to set this one, so I'm just packing that color on. Next, I'm going to be using a really light pink, so I'm going to mix these two shades together to make this pastelized pink. And I really like this color and how it came out. Then I am going ahead and taking white, just plain white, and I'm stamping that right in the middle in kind of a linear shape. And then I'm going back over the pink to kind of blend that together. Then I'm going to be transitioning back into pink using the same mixture of colors, and I'm stamping this the same way, kind of smaller than the last one. And then I'm finishing off this eyeshadow with blue. So I'm just stamping that on that eye primer. And then I'm touching up both sides of the blue with the same brush. So now I'm curling my lashes because I thought this was going to be the end of the look, and I didn't really like it like this. So I'm taking the Super Beauty Hydra Liners in Space Panda, and this is a water activated liner. So I'm spraying some water in the cap, and then taking a paintbrush from Michaels that I only use for makeup. I'm taking that white liner and I'm just tracing around the eyeliner cat eye eyeshadow shape. Prepping my eyes for some lashes as usual. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, and I'm just making a tiny line above my lash line just for the falsies later. Taking my usual favorite Maybelline Colossal mascara in the cat eye. I don't remember. But I'm just using mascara to prep my eyes for eyelashes. And then I'm taking my usual Lash Dream lashes in these style teas. I have them in this House of Lashes box that I really love. So while that dries, I am taking Playground, I believe. It's a shimmery blue color in the James Charles palette, and I'm just applying that in my inner corner. Felt like this really made the look. For under my eyes, I just went ahead and copied the color scheme on the bottom. It didn't end up coming out good, so I ended up blending it all together, which looks way better than this. But that's just what I was doing here. So I'm gonna speed through the process of doing the other eye, but I'm putting it here just in case you guys need a little help along the way. So all of my videos during Pride have the Trevor Project link below. If you don't know what the Trevor Project is, it's a resource for the LGBT community. They offer a 24/7 hotline if you need any support or in crisis. So like I said, during the month of Pride, that is always the first link down below. This is an organization that I hold dear to my heart. So if you have the means to donate, that'd be really amazing. And for this video, I also want to mention the first transgender suicide hotline as well. So that is up and running, and you can reach the Trans Lifeline at 877-565-8860, and that number will be down below. If you guys are a part of the trans community and are just experiencing anything crazy to what's happening in the world right now, please call. You guys know I make these videos out of my heart, and I love you guys so much. Happy Pride, everyone. So that is everything for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and take my clips out. And I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the color Diamond Milk. Didn't want it to go too crazy on the lips, so I just did this clear gloss. So I wanted the inner corners to pop more, so I wet my brush and applied more of that shimmery blue shade from the James Charles palette to my inner corners. So that is everything for this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to check out my Instagram to see pictures of this look and all my other looks. And if you want to see more content from me, make sure you subscribe. That is everything. Live with pride. I love you guys so much. Be safe, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.